Oh, this is about an indoor ice maker on a KitchenAid that overfills. That's the KitchenAid. The indoor ice maker overfills. Sorry about the camera angles, but it used to overfill until I found kind of a simple solution. First, take the ice bin out. That paddle or sensor right up there comes down, and when it senses ice, it returns back up and tells the ice tray not to dump anymore. Problem is that ice tray from this direction dumps clockwise, and so it leaves a void in the back side of the ice bin. So when that paddle arm would come down, it wouldn't sense ice and just dump more. So my simple solution has been working perfect. I used an 832 by 1 inch long stainless steel screw with stainless steel nut, drilled an 1/8 inch hole, put it through from the back side, and now it has more area when it comes down to hit ice, and has a resistance and not dump anymore. So far that's been working great. Cheap, simple solution. Works perfect.